Hello, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. I started my channel almost a year ago, and my first video was Madeleines. I was making banana Madeleines. So today I decided to make Madeleines again. So today I made these beautiful matcha tea Madeleines, which are delicious, smells amazing, and I'm really happy with the result. And also I made them with my new silicone mat, and they look so good. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing. Please put your thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you want to see notification about all my future videos, please ring a bell down below. And also see the recipe also down below. Let's make these Madeleines together. Alright, these Madeleines are incredibly delicious and incredibly unique and special. And what makes them special is matcha tea, and you can buy it anywhere. In a bulk barn, for example, I bought them matcha tea in a bulk barn. So here I have flour and baking powder, and I'm sifting it in my bowl. And also I'm sifting my matcha powder. It's very important, everything has to be sifted. Because if you don't sift, look what happens. If you don't want to have this in your dough. Sift my dry ingredients all together. And put it aside for a while. I have here honey. I add my egg and start whipping. And slowly I'm adding sugar. Alright, my egg is beautiful, and now I'm slowly adding my warm melted butter. Everything mixed together really nicely, and now I am going to add my dry ingredients and fold it really gently. Alright, the consistency is beautiful. Now I'm going to make my Madeleines. I'm going to put my dough in a mold. So last year I mentioned that I want to get a silicone mold. So I got my silicone mold. I'm really happy. And now we'll see what happens. It's my new mold, and I'm going to make my perfect Madeleines. So I'm going to just use a spoon and put like 1/3 of the dough in the mold. My oven is preheated to 360 Fahrenheit, and they are going to bake for 10 minutes. So we'll see, is it enough or not? I will tell you later. My Madeleines are all ready. They look so cute, and the smell is amazing. So for these Madeleines, my first batch, I did 1 tablespoon. It was a little too much, and it took me more than 20 minutes to bake in 360 Fahrenheit. You can add a little bit like 365 Fahrenheit, but watch so they don't get too dry. So my second batch, I did half of teaspoon. It took me exactly 14 minutes. So look at your oven, look how long it takes. But they're done, they're beautiful. And let's see how they look inside. Wow, so soft. Look how soft they are inside. And they taste so good. And to make them even more yummier, I am going to sprinkle just a little bit powdered sugar on top. Alright, my Madeleines look delicious and they taste delicious. I wish you could taste them, but you can make them and enjoy them. Alright, my Madeleines are ready. They are beautiful, they're cute, they're delicious, they smell amazing, my whole kitchen smells amazing. So make this recipe, enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video.